Money Manifestation Meditation. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Money Manifestation Meditation. What we constantly think about, we will attract. So if we think about money all the time, shouldn't money come to us? It doesn't seem so, because people who are broke think about money all the time, but they are still broke. So what is the right technique for attracting money? Yogic masters say that the third eye chakra is the seat where creation takes place. Meditating on a thought with a feeling in the third eye will bring it into reality. Quantum physicists find this to be true too. There have been many experiments to prove this theory. The third eye, or scientifically called the pituitary or pineal gland, is under the midbrain. It is the organ that connects you with the universe. The cerebellum is negative. Thoughts come and go all the time in the cerebellum, and it will always say no to you. So logically, if you put money thoughts in it, money will never materialize. Unfortunately, a large proportion of us never realize this fact. The pineal gland is very direct and does not judge. Whatever thought you put into the pineal gland, it will interpret it as so. Thus, if you tell the pineal gland that you want money, means that you are currently broke and will always be so. Instead, if you project a picture of wealth surrounding you, such as an expensive house or car with heaps of money, and you are having tremendous joy with this experience, the pineal gland takes that as your current reality and gives more of it to you. The activation of the third eye chakra and all the other chakras is through meditation. Commonly known as chakra meditation, specific quantum sounds or mantras are chanted for activation. There is a specific quantum sound or mantra for each of the chakras, and each one complements the other. When practiced consistently, each of the chakras come alive and serve their intended purpose. The meditation and the mantras, when done together, create a feeling that activates manifestation in the pineal gland. So to attract money, this is the general technique. 1. Meditate using quantum sounds, mantras to activate the 7 chakras in the body. 2. Let the kundalini energy rise through the spinal column. 3. Put a thought in pineal gland. 4. Create a feeling using quantum sounds. 5. Thank the universe and disconnect. Sit back and let the universe do its work. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.